In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shopify store in Canada, step by step. Whether you're planning to start a brand new online business or you're looking to migrate your current store to a Canadian location, I'm here to guide you through the entire process smoothly and efficiently. Let's start with setting up a Shopify account. If you find yourself currently in Canada and you're not using a VPN pointing to another country, Shopify makes this initial step incredibly straightforward. When you first visit Shopify.com and click the Start for Free button, you'll be guided through creating your account. Given your Canadian location, Shopify will automatically set your store region to Canada. This seamless integration helps ensure that local customers can find your store effortlessly and that you're able to align with Canadian regulations from the get-go. Now, for those of you who are considering migrating an existing store to Canada, the process is just as simple but does require a few additional steps. First, you need to access your store's settings. Look towards the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard and you'll find a Settings icon. Click here. This page is essentially the control center for your store details, and it's where you can make key changes. Scroll down to see your online store details, including your billing address. When you hover your cursor over the billing address, you'll notice a little pen icon appear. This is your gateway to editing. Click on it, and you'll be able to update your store's billing information to your new Canadian address. This change is crucial for ensuring your billing aligns with Canadian standards, and it also helps with local integrations and currency adjustments where applicable. Once you've updated your billing details, it's time to move on to your shop location. On the left-hand panel of your settings, you'll spot the Locations link. Click on this link to access the screen where you can update the physical location of your store. This step ensures that your inventory, shipping rates, and other location-based settings reflect your Canadian operations accurately. And there you have it. That covers the entire process of setting up your Shopify store within Canada. Whether you're starting fresh or migrating an existing business, Shopify provides comprehensive tools and settings to make setting up your store as efficient and user-friendly as possible. It's all about making sure your online business is perfectly aligned with your key markets and logistical needs. By following these straightforward steps, you're setting your business up for success and opening up new opportunities in the Canadian market. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Happy selling, and catch you next time.